Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashwika. Welcome to Globo Arte magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're gonna be diving in with the Christmas. Yes! I'm really excited to talk about this thing because Christmas is coming soon in the December and we will going to be preparing ourselves, our shops for Christmas sales because Q4 is a time of the year and you can expect to get multiple sales, in fact doubling your income, tripling your income, whatever it is. So let's dive in with today's video. Today I'm going to be talking about the Christmas gifts, like what are the products, what are the print-on-demand products that you can actually incorporate in your store to get the more sales, especially focusing on the Christmas for the holiday sales. So I'm going to be talking about some of the items that sell amazingly well while the Christmas and how you can take an advantage of that right now in this current moment and start incorporating, start putting that kind of products in your store to make more money. So let's dive in. Before we go, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources, the link on the description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com, check out the freebie section. It contains all the freebies. It contains a full commercial license, so very well use it. Also guys, we are going to recently starting with our exclusive email newsletter. The link is in the description box below, which will going to deliver you each week individual important points, tips and tricks, tools to make money online. I'm going to cover so much more in that email newsletter which haven't been covered in my any online content so far, not on YouTube, not also on the blog. So it will be completely an exclusive. Right now it's on waitlist. When we will going to start that, I'm going to be sending you an email, but subscribe to that email newsletter. The link is in the description box below. It's completely free, so get started with that. Now there are so many products that increase their sales in the December and the holiday, but I'm going to be focusing only on those products that are likely to get the more sales, mainly catering to the holiday seasons because some of the products are really holiday based. So I'm going to be talking about that. Let's talk about one of the most common product that sell amazingly well while the holidays, in fact in the Christmas time, is the greeting cards. Christmas cards do amazingly well. Even if you're creating a New Year cards or you're creating a Halloween cards, Thanksgiving cards, whatever it is, it will definitely going to get the good sales in this holiday, in this Q4. So if you don't have any Christmas card or any greeting card in your store, start incorporating that kind of product in your store right now. If you're starting with the Redbubble, you have the greeting card option to start customizing your greeting card according to the holidays. If you're starting with the Jazzle has a completely different store for the very Christmas cards, for the Christmas, New Year, holiday cards. So very well do your research and start incorporating such products right now in this current moment to prepare yourself, to prepare your shop for this upcoming future holiday. So that is the number one product that to sell basically well. Of course, it's not a high ticket price offer. It's a low ticket price cards, but still they do sell well and people buy in the bulk because they are not just sending the simple one Christmas card to their friend. They need multiple different copies, so they would be purchasing in bulk and definitely you can expect to make the good sales. And if you are having your own website and you're incorporating Printful, Printify, Gooden in your website, or even if you are selling on the Etsy and incorporate the Printful, Printify, Gooden, then we will get started with incorporating the greeting cards because I think that Printful had that option of the greeting cards. You can incorporate the greeting cards and get started with that. I'm going to leave the link of the Printful if you want to join in. The link is in the description box below. You can join the Printful and get started incorporating that, integrating it with the either WooCommerce, the Shopify, or either the Etsy. The second product that sell amazingly well are the jewelry, especially the Christmas ceramic jewelries. That's a pendant, earrings, or even you can have the different kinds of the bracelets. So related to the Christmas or the holiday, these sell amazingly well, especially they are also there in the print-on-demand stuff. You can very well check it out. Jazzle had that facility. Redbubble, Teepublic don't have one. But if you're looking for that, then you can get started with selling the jewelry at this time. These are the ceramic jewelries which you can very well customize it, very well can add different pictures related to the Christmas or different codes, small codes or something like that, or the small graphics on these jewelry items and can sell them. People buy these jewelry items to send them a gift to their loved ones because on the Christmas, people love to buy the gifts for their loved ones. So keep in mind what are the things that people will going to purchase in this Christmas season for sending gifts to their loved ones. So depending on that, increase the number of products, especially which products are going to sell. Now the best way to actually find out which are the products that do sell well at this time of the year, that is a Christmas, you can very well go check it out on the Google Trends, and you can look for the Christmas 2020. What was the product that was popular in the Google Trends at the time of Christmas 2020, and it would probably be popular in this Christmas of 2021 as well. So you get the idea, like these kind of products were popular, people were looking for, so that's why they were there in the Google Trends in the 2020. So they are more likely to be there in the 2021 itself. So this way you can get the idea what are the products to sell. And also another thing you could do is that you can see what are the products that people can send their loved one as a gift. That could be the #1 best-selling products, or that could be the products that are selling amazingly well in the time of the Christmas. So that is the greeting card. The second was the jewelry items. Now the jewelry items do sell well. Now I'm going to be talking about the third item that sell amazingly well, the coffee mugs. Coffee mugs sell amazingly well. You can have a customized code, the illustration, or you can even have a picture. People can customize your coffee mug and can add their own family member's picture and can give to them. Now Jazzle has an awesome facility to upload your cup as a template, and people can actually customize it, personalize it, and can sell it. Either way, you can also customize with the Printful, Printify, and Gooden, with your Etsy shop, with your WooCommerce shop, Shopify, Wix, Weebly, whatever you have even. Incorporate the mugs as well. Mugs do sell well and people buy in the bulk in the time of the Christmas. Another product that sell amazingly well are the candies, or even the cake tops, or even the different kinds of the cupcakes. Now, these kind of print on demand products, not every platform have this kind of option. The food items, the Jazzle have the one. You can go on the Jazzle and look for the different kinds of products they have. They have the frosting rounds, which the people can put them on the cupcakes. They also have the different kinds of candies, pop, and all those items which sells amazingly well, because the chocolates people buy amazingly. I couldn't emphasize more. People do buy the chocolates. And you can customize it, and they can send the gift ones, send their loved ones the gift ones, the chocolates, Another product that sell amazingly well are the t-shirts. Yes, the people purchase the t-shirts for their loved ones. You can have the different kinds of the t-shirts related to some Christmas code, or some sort like a beautiful code, illustration, graphics. You can just do it the way you want to, like the sky is the limit for all these things. You can put your own creativity into the place and can create a beautiful looking t-shirt design and then place it on different products. Now t-shirt, you can get the t-shirt from anywhere, like from the Redbubble, Teepublic, Jazzle, a bunch of the different options are there. So the t-shirts also sell amazingly well. Now let's move on to another product. Another most common product that do sell amazingly well in the Christmas are the Christmas stickers and the labels. You can create the stickers. Stickers are so common, and you guys very well know how to create one. You can create the beautiful Christmas related stickers, the slogans, or kind of like codes, a text based or graphics, and people can purchase these stickers and they can put on the different covers, or they can even put on the gifts which they are packing for their loved ones. They can put them on the wrapping papers, or either on the envelope as an envelope seals, and can send the gifts to their loved ones. So this is an awesome product, that is the stickers. The other product is the labels. You can create the return address labels or normal shipping labels for the people, so that when they are packing up the gifts for their loved ones, they can incorporate the label on that, and then they can pack their gift and send it to their loved ones. Now for the labels, you can very well check out the Jazzle. Jazzle has a bunch of the different options. You can create your own labels and you can customize it and incorporate it in your store so people can buy that. Another product that do sell amazingly well are the wrapping papers. Wrapping papers obviously will going to sell because the people are packing the gifts for the loved ones, so they need wrapping papers. You can create these wrapping papers. Either you can get it done by the stationery different shops, or even you can incorporate with the Jazzle. You can even create digital wrapping papers and can sell on the Etsy. Now there are so many options you can do with the wrapping papers, and wrapping paper sells amazingly well, especially like the Christmas patterns or the Christmas trees, even the Christmas bells or the caps. And there are so many different ideas which you can incorporate it regarding the wrapping papers, and people do buy them. Another products are the home decor items, that is the garlands or even the party supplies. You can have the garlands or the buntings. Now on the Jazzle, you get the facility to have the garlands, the paper garlands, in which you can incorporate on your own design and can sell it, and people do buy because on the Jazzle people buy the different gift items, and the Christmas is especially famous for the home decor as well, like the garlands, different kinds of stuff and all. Now there are so many different products which you can sell. You can even sell the stickers, labels I have already talked about. You can even incorporate the pillow covers, because the pillows, people do buy the pillows for their home decor, and even you can give them to your loved ones, having some simple quote, or even having the pictures of your loved ones. And pillows, you can even get into all the printful, prettify gooden. You can incorporate it with the Etsy, and you can get started with that. There are so many products, but these are the few products that I think we're going to definitely sell in this upcoming holiday season, because they was the trending in the 2020, and these are the items that people usually buy to send the gift to their loved ones. Like for depending on any kind of festival or any kind of holiday, you can just take a look of that, what people actually do in that particular holiday. Do they buy the gifts, or do they send it to the loved ones, what they actually purchase? And this way you can actually know that these are the products that people actually purchase, so you can add more such product in your shop to prepare your shop for the holidays. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below, are you preparing for the Christmas for your shop? And if you want more such video, I would really love to talk about the Christmas and the Christmas gifts, so I'm gonna be making more such video. If you want it, do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.